Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to the online class. We were in chapter number 10, mensurations, right? So we have done the first exercise of this chapter. Let's move ahead in this. So we have areas of rectangle and square. So here is a rectangle, a plane geometrical figure in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB is equal to DC, BC will be equal to AD. So one of the side is known as length, another side is breadth. Each vertex angle of the rectangle is 90 degrees. Okay? हर एंगल जो होगी वर्टेक्स की वो 90 डिग्रीज की होगी. So we have length represented by small l and breadth represented by small b. Now area of a rectangle is always equal to the product of its length and breadth. Length और breadth का product means l into b. In the same way, square. Square is also a type of rectangle. The only difference is in square all the sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. So area of a square is the square of its side, side into side. See what happens in square. Length is also side, breadth is also side, which are equal. So you can say it is L into L or B into B. That's why instead of length or breadth we write it simple side or edge. So its area is side into side, that is side square, or edge into edge, edge square. So this is the formula. Let's solve some questions based on areas of square and rectangle. Okay children, so here I have a rectangle. Given that its length is equal to 30 meters and its breadth is given as 15 meters. So very simple, its area is equal to L into B, that is simple, 30 into 15. 30 into 15 what? Meter square. The units of area is always square units. If any measurement of length, it can be length, it can be breadth, it can be side, anything, it is always in single units, whereas even perimeter is in units, but area is always in unit square, unit into unit. Why? L into B, so unit of length multiplied by unit of breadth. तो लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ के मैग्नीट्यूड को, वैल्यू को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उनकी यूनिट्स भी मल्टीप्लाई होंगी. यूनिट इनटू यूनिट इज यूनिट स्क्वायर. तो स्क्वायर यूनिट्स, दैट इज मीटर स्क्वायर. Now 3 into 15 is 4510, 450 meter square. This is the area of this rectangle. Okay. अब इसी में the concept of area can be used to apply somewhere. Okay, you can have application based questions. Let's take an example. Question है, find the cost of cementing a rectangular floor of length equal to 15 meters and breadth equal to 8 meters at the rate of ₹25 per meter square. The question says एक rectangular floor है, उसको सीमेंटिंग करना है. It is to be cemented, right? The cost of cementing is ₹25 per meter square. 1 square meter एरिया को सीमेंट करने का कॉस्ट है 25 रुपीज. तो टोटल एरिया को सीमेंटिंग करने का कॉस्ट कितना होगा? दिस इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग. सो फर्स्ट वी नीड हाउ टू गिव द सॉल्यूशन. वी नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया फर्स्ट. एरिया इज L into B. So what is L? 15. What is B? 8. 15 into 8, 120 meter square. This is the area of the rectangular field. Now cost, 1 meter square को सीमेंटिंग करने का कॉस्ट 25 रुपीज. सो टोटल एरिया को कॉस्ट कितना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 25 से. सो टोटल कॉस्ट of cementing at the rate of rupees 25 per meter square equal to total area multiplied by the cost of 1 meter square. So 120 into 25, 25 into 0 is 0, 25 into 2 is 50, 0, 5 carry, 25 into 1 is 25 plus 5, 30. Rupees 3000. This is the total cost of cementing the floor. I hope you understood. Okay. Coming up to the other question. A square shaped pool is to be polished at the floor. Its side is 16 meters. Find the total cost if 1 meter square is polished for rupees 17. Now स्क्वायर शेप का पूल है जिसके फ्लोर को पॉलिशिंग करनी है. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट है 17 रुपीज. टोटल फ्लोर का कॉस्ट. So first we need to find the area of the floor. Area of the pool floor. तो स्क्वायर शेप है, साइड इंटू साइड 16 into 16, that is 256 meter square, right? Now cost, total cost at the rate of rupees 17 per meter square is 256 into 17 equal to rupees कितना? 17 into 6, how much? 102, 2, 10 carry. 17 into 5, how much? 85 plus 10, 95, carry 9. 17 into 2, 34, 34 plus 9, 43. Rupees 4,352. This is the total cost. I hope you got it. Try to solve the question cylinder of second exercise in this chapter.